Hello friends. Welcome to our English session. Today we will discuss about technology of business communication, digital etiquettes, village etiquettes, and much more. Let's start with technology of business communication. Introduction. In today's fast-paced business world, effective communication is essential for the survival and growth of any organization. The advent of technology has revolutionized the way businesses communicate internally and externally. From emails and instant messaging to video conferencing and social media, technology has made communication faster, more efficient, and more accessible. Understanding the role of technology in business communication is crucial for anyone aiming to thrive in the modern corporate environment. This essay explores the evolution, types, benefits, challenges, and future trends related to the technology of business communication. Evolution of business communication technology. Communication has always been a core part of business operations. In earlier times, business communication relied on handwritten letters, face-to-face meetings, and telegrams. The invention of the telephone in the late 19th century marked a major milestone, allowing immediate voice communication across distances. The 20th century witnessed significant technological advancements, including fax machines, computers, and mobile phones. The introduction of the Internet in the 1990s completely transformed business communication, enabling emails, websites, and online meetings. In the 21st century, cloud computing, social media platforms, artificial intelligence, and mobile applications have further enhanced business communication capabilities. Today, businesses operate in a global marketplace where real-time communication is possible across different time zones, cultures, and languages, thanks to technological innovation. Types of business communication technologies. 1. Email communication. Emails are a fundamental tool for professional communication. They allow businesses to share information quickly, maintain records, and connect with customers, partners, and employees across the globe. 2. Video conferencing. Platforms like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and Google Meet facilitate virtual face-to-face meetings. These technologies save time and money by eliminating the need for travel and enabling remote collaborations. 3. Instant messaging and collaboration tools. Applications such as Slack, WhatsApp Business, and Microsoft Teams allow for real-time messaging and collaboration. They are particularly useful for quick discussions, project management, and team coordination. 4. Social media. Platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram are crucial for marketing communication, customer engagement, brand building, and recruitment. 5. Cloud-based communication systems. Cloud technology enables businesses to store data, collaborate, and communicate seamlessly across multiple devices and locations. Examples include Google Workspace and Dropbox. 6. Customer Relationship Management (CRM) tools. CRM software like Salesforce and HubSpot help businesses manage customer interactions, streamline processes, and improve profitability. 7. Artificial intelligence and chatbots. AI-powered communication tools such as chatbots provide instant customer support, automate responses, and help businesses operate more efficiently. 8. Internal communication platforms. Intranet portals, HR platforms, and bulletin boards facilitate communication within an organization, ensuring employees stay informed and connected. Benefits of technology in business communication. 1. Speed and efficiency. Technology enables instant communication, reducing the time required for decision-making and execution. 2. Cost savings. Virtual meetings and cloud services reduce travel costs, printing expenses, and infrastructure costs. 3. Global reach. Businesses can easily communicate with clients, suppliers, and employees anywhere in the world, thus expanding their global presence. 4. Enhanced collaboration. Collaborative tools allow teams to work together effectively regardless of their physical location, boosting productivity and innovation. 5. Data management and record keeping. Emails, CRM systems, and cloud storage help in organizing, retrieving, and analyzing communication data for better business decisions. 6. Flexibility. Employees can work remotely and still stay connected through mobile devices and internet-based communication tools. Challenges of technology in business communication. 1. Information overload. The constant flow of emails, messages, and notifications can lead to employee burnout and reduce productivity. 2. Security risks. Cybersecurity threats such as hacking, phishing, and data breaches pose major risks to business communication systems. 3. Loss of personal touch. Over-reliance on digital communication can reduce human interaction and emotional connection among employees and with customers. 4. Technical issues. Dependence on technology means that any technical failures like server downtime or software glitches can disrupt business operations. 5. Training and adaptation. Employees must be trained regularly to adapt to new communication tools and technologies, which can be time-consuming and costly. Future trends in business communication technology. 1. Artificial intelligence integration. AI will continue to revolutionize business communication through smart assistants, language translation tools, predictive analytics, and personalized communication. 2. 5G technology. With the adoption of 5G networks, communication speed and quality will improve, enhancing real-time collaboration and data sharing. 3. Virtual and augmented reality, VR, AR. VR and AR technologies will transform meetings, training sessions, and product demonstrations, offering more interactive and immersive experiences. 4. Blockchain for secure communication. Blockchain technology will offer more secure, transparent, and tamper-proof communication solutions, especially for sensitive business transactions. 5. Hybrid work environments. The rise of remote and hybrid working models will increase the reliance on digital communication technologies, demanding more integrated and flexible platforms. Conclusion. Technology has fundamentally changed the landscape of business communication, making it faster, more efficient, and more global than ever before. While there are undeniable challenges such as cybersecurity risks and the need for constant adaptation, the benefits far outweigh the drawbacks. Businesses that embrace and effectively utilize modern communication technologies can enhance collaboration, improve customer relationships, increase productivity, and gain a competitive advantage in the marketplace. Moving forward, staying updated with emerging trends like AI, VR, blockchain, and 5G will be critical for businesses aiming to remain relevant and successful in an increasingly connected world. Thus, technology is not just an aid to business communication, it is now its backbone. Digital etiquettes, the new age manners in the virtual world. Introduction. In the digital era, where communication, collaboration, education, and entertainment have largely shifted to online platforms, the importance of appropriate behavior in the virtual world cannot be overstated. This appropriate behavior is referred to as digital etiquette, often called netiquette, a combination of internet and etiquette. Just as there are social norms and rules of conduct in physical settings, the digital world demands its own set of respectful and responsible behaviors. Digital etiquette involves the standards of conduct expected by individuals using digital devices and platforms, and it plays a vital role in maintaining a positive, respectful, and effective online environment. This essay explores the meaning, significance, principles, and examples of digital etiquettes, along with the challenges and future outlook. Meaning of digital etiquette. Digital etiquette refers to the code of proper behavior and respectful communication when interacting with others online. It includes everything from how emails are written, how people behave on social media, the way students participate in online classes, and how professionals conduct themselves during virtual meetings. Essentially, digital etiquette defines the do's and don'ts of online behavior. Significance of digital etiquette. 1. Promotes respectful communication. Digital platforms can easily be misused due to the anonymity and distance they provide. Following digital etiquette helps maintain respectful, civil, and constructive conversations, reducing the risk of conflict, harassment, or misunderstanding. 2. Builds a positive digital footprint. Every online interaction contributes to a person's digital identity. Practicing good digital manners helps create a positive impression on employers, educators, peers, and the public. 3. Ensures effective communication. Clear, polite, and appropriate online communication reduces confusion and helps the message reach the intended audience effectively. 4. Encourages safe use of technology. Digital etiquette includes protecting privacy, avoiding cyberbullying, and not spreading fake news, which makes the digital world a safer space for everyone. 5. Essential for professionalism. In a world where remote work and digital networking are common, professionalism in emails, video calls, and virtual meetings is crucial for career success. Core principles of digital etiquette. 1. Think before you post. Everything shared online has the potential to be permanent. It's essential to avoid posting offensive, inappropriate, or misleading content. 2. Be respectful and polite. Just as in real life, treat others with kindness and respect. Avoid using harsh language, mocking, or personal attacks. 3. Respect privacy. Do not share others' personal information or private messages without their consent. 4. Avoid spamming. Refrain from sending unsolicited messages, emails, or promotional content repeatedly. 5. Use proper language and tone. Always use grammatically correct language and an appropriate tone. Avoid using slang, all caps, which can be perceived as shouting, or emojis in formal communication. 6. Be mindful of time and platform. Do not disturb others at inappropriate hours, and use suitable platforms for different types of communication, e.g., don't use a public forum for private issues. 7. Give proper credit. Always acknowledge the original sources of images, content, or quotes to avoid plagiarism and intellectual property violations. Examples of digital etiquette in different contexts. 1. In emails, use a clear subject line. Begin with a polite greeting. Keep the message concise and to the point. Use professional language. End with a proper closing, e.g., best regards. 2. On social media, avoid arguments or political debates unless on relevant platforms. Don't post inappropriate content. Respect differing opinions. Report or block harmful content rather than engaging in fights. 3. In online classes, mute the microphone when not speaking. Raise your hand or use the raise hand feature to speak. Be punctual and dress appropriately. Avoid distractions and focus on the session. 4. In virtual meetings, test technology beforehand. Maintain eye contact through the camera. Avoid multitasking. Use a clean, professional background. Challenges to digital etiquette. 1. Anonymity and lack of accountability. Many people behave differently online because they feel shielded by anonymity. This often leads to rude, aggressive, or inappropriate behavior. 2. Cultural differences. The internet connects people from diverse cultures, and what is polite in one culture might be rude in another. 3. Lack of digital education. Many people, especially youth and older adults, are not taught digital etiquette formally, leading to inappropriate behavior unintentionally. 4. Information overload. The fast pace of digital life may cause people to overlook manners in favor of speed, leading to miscommunication or rudeness. 5. Cyberbullying and trolling. A major problem in the digital age is the rise of cyberbullying and online harassment, often fueled by the lack of etiquette and empathy online. Promoting digital etiquette. 1. Education and awareness. Schools, colleges, and workplaces should include digital citizenship and etiquette in their training programs. 2. Parental guidance. Parents should model and encourage respectful online behavior from an early age. 3. Clear policies. Organizations and online platforms should have clear rules and guidelines about acceptable digital behavior. 4. Reporting and moderation tools. Social media and communication platforms should empower users to report abuse and manage their online experiences safely. 5. Led by example. Influencers, educators, and professionals must demonstrate good digital etiquette, setting the standard for others. Future outlook. As technology continues to evolve, digital etiquette will become even more important. With the increasing use of artificial intelligence, virtual reality, and remote technologies, the nature of communication will change, requiring new norms and standards. Digital etiquette will also be critical in addressing global challenges like misinformation, cybercrime, and online polarization. The integration of digital manners into formal education and professional development will be essential to prepare the next generation for responsible digital citizenship. Conclusion. Digital etiquette is not merely about being polite online, it is about building a responsible, respectful, and inclusive digital world. It affects our personal reputation, professional success, and the quality of our relationships. As technology becomes a more integral part of our lives, the need for understanding and practicing digital etiquette becomes even more urgent. Whether we are students, professionals, or casual users, our online actions matter. By adopting good digital manners, we contribute to a more positive, productive, and harmonious virtual environment for all. Village etiquettes, the heart of rural harmony. Introduction. Villages are often seen as the soul of a nation, especially in countries like India, where a large part of the population still lives in rural areas. Life in a village is governed not just by local rules or laws, but also by a deep-rooted system of unwritten customs, traditions, and etiquettes. Village etiquettes refer to the set of social manners, behaviors, and expectations that maintain peace, respect, and harmony in a close-knit rural community. Unlike the more individualistic behavior often found in cities, village life emphasizes community living, mutual respect, cooperation, and a shared sense of responsibility. These etiquettes are passed down through generations and are crucial for the smooth functioning of rural society. This essay explores the meaning, importance, examples, challenges, and evolution of village etiquettes. Meaning of village etiquettes. Village etiquettes are the traditional norms and practices that guide how individuals interact with each other in rural communities. They include behaviors related to hospitality, communication, respect for elders, participation in communal activities, and adherence to cultural traditions. These etiquettes reflect values like simplicity, humility, kindness, and collectivism. Village etiquettes are not formally taught but are learned through observation, storytelling, and community participation from a young age. They create an invisible but powerful code of conduct that every villager is expected to follow. Importance of village etiquettes. 1. Maintaining social harmony. In a village where everyone knows each other personally, good manners and respect are essential to avoid conflicts and misunderstandings. 2. Preserving traditions and culture. Village etiquettes are deeply linked to cultural practices such as festivals, marriages, and religious ceremonies, helping to preserve the rich heritage of rural life. 3. Strengthening community bonds. Etiquettes promote a spirit of cooperation, helping people come together during times of celebration and crisis. 4. Guiding moral conduct. They instill values such as honesty, kindness, respect for elders, and a sense of duty towards the community. 5. Promoting peaceful coexistence. Clear unwritten rules about behavior help prevent disputes over land, resources, or personal matters, which could otherwise disrupt the peace. Examples of village etiquettes. 1. Greeting everyone respectfully. It is considered polite to greet elders and neighbors whenever you meet them, whether on the streets, in fields, or at social gatherings. 2. Respect for elders. Children and young adults are expected to show deep respect for elders by standing up when they approach, listening silently when elders speak, and seeking their blessings during important events. 3. Hospitality. Visitors are always treated with great warmth. Offering water, tea, food, or even inviting them to stay the night is a part of traditional hospitality. 4. Helping each other. In villages, it is common for neighbors to help one another in farming, house building, or during festivals without expecting anything in return. 5. Participation in community activities. Villagers are expected to participate in collective activities such as temple cleanings, village meetings, panchayats, festivals, and funerals. 6. Dress and behavior. Traditional attire and modest dressing are often encouraged, especially during religious or social gatherings. Speaking softly and avoiding public displays of anger are valued traits. 7. Respect for nature. Villagers traditionally show respect for natural elements like rivers, trees, and animals, understanding their role in sustaining life. Village etiquettes during special occasions. Festivals. During festivals, people visit each other's homes, share sweets, dress traditionally, and perform rituals together. Proper etiquette demands participating joyfully and respectfully. Marriages. At weddings, guests from the entire village are usually invited, and participation is considered both a duty and a celebration. It is etiquette to help with preparations without waiting to be asked. Funerals. During times of mourning, etiquette requires showing solidarity by visiting the grieving family, offering condolences, and helping with funeral arrangements. Challenges to village etiquettes in the modern era. 1. Urbanization and migration. As more people move to cities, they often bring back urban habits that may not align with traditional village etiquettes, leading to cultural changes. 2. Influence of technology. Mobile phones, social media, and the internet have introduced new ways of communication that sometimes weaken traditional face-to-face interactions. 3. Economic changes. With the rise of individual wealth and property disputes, some villages experience a decline in collective spirit and mutual cooperation. 4. Education and modern thinking. While education brings empowerment, it sometimes leads to a questioning of age-old traditions that may seem outdated to the younger generation. Evolution and adaptation of village etiquettes. Village etiquettes are not static, they evolve with time. For example, education has introduced more gender equality, leading to better treatment of women in some villages. Technology is now used to organize festivals and panchayat meetings more efficiently. Modern farming techniques are shared communally, reflecting a blend of traditional cooperation and modern knowledge. Many villages successfully balance respect for traditions with openness to new ideas, ensuring that their etiquettes remain relevant. Comparing village and urban etiquettes. The future of village etiquettes. The future of village etiquettes lies in adapting traditional values to modern realities. As villages get better connectivity, healthcare, and education, maintaining the core values of respect, hospitality, honesty, and community living will be essential. Young villagers need to take pride in their heritage while being open-minded about necessary changes. Governments, NGOs, and educational institutions can also play a role in preserving and promoting positive rural etiquettes through programs that respect both tradition and progress. Conclusion. Village etiquettes form the unseen thread that binds rural communities together. They teach lessons of respect, kindness, cooperation, and resilience. In a world increasingly moving towards individualism and virtual interactions, the values embodied in village etiquettes offer timeless wisdom about living in harmony with others and with nature. Preserving these etiquettes is not just about maintaining tradition, it is about upholding the values that make human societies humane. Whether in a remote village or a bustling city, the spirit of community, respect, and kindness should continue to guide human interactions for generations to come. Thank you, friends. Like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for more such listening videos. Share your love in comment box, and if you have any doubt, drop your questions in comment box. I will try to resolve your doubt. Have a nice day.